Hello guys, I hope you quite well. These are Antica aesthetic logos generator. So the download link in the description. You just need to click this link and you will come to this website by GFX. This is our website in which we will provide graphic templates basically for free. And here this is about the template you can download introducing the aesthetic logo. And these are key features: more than 200 graphic elements, marble sculpture, creative illustrative, crystal, batterical elements, frame and abstract elements. You can check it and download that data you need from here our website. Just need to click on download now, and it's easy to download. Just click here and download anyway, and the file gonna start downloading. Just need to click start downloading and it's gonna start downloading. Okay, so you just download from here, and these are winner files, so you need to extract it. Wait for some time to let it extract. And here this is in a illustrator format, and EPS, JPG, same thing, and PNG and PSD. For example, let's open it. PSD format. You can see this. And similarly same thing, JPG format and PNG. PSD and SVG format. These are same things. Okay, so these are marble heads in line art style, and these are marble heads creative illustration. Just check it out. And PNG format same thing, and PSD and SVG as shown previously. And these are 12 hand-drawn botanical elements. Illustrator format, EPS, JPG. Let me open this illustrator format. You can see it. I'll close it. Okay, so JPG, PNG, PSD and SVG, and these are botanical illustration. And check this. This is a high quality image. JPG format, PNG, PSD and 15 geometric frames, and so like these are data around 200 plus graphic elements. This is font ABG. Okay, so these are 30 graphic elements. You can use them in your art, in your work, and you can easily download from the link in the description. I hope this data is quite useful for you. So please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Take care.